Man, before you hit the sack tonight, ask yourself what the hell are you waiting for to start attacking life? You waiting for the stars to line up just right? When I was a kid, there was this song, All I Need is a Miracle. Well, let me tell you something, there's no miracle coming your way. There's never going to be a perfect time to start, man. You got to change your life now, right hell now. Life's testing all of us, and this is one test you can't cheat that thing. We all have our own shit to face. Some of us are hunting for peace, some are battling depression, and some are drowning in insecurity. In the military, we had these huge ass rucksacks loaded with batteries, water, and extra gear. That extra gear, it's the bullshit you're carrying around in life. And the only way to overcome it is to face it head on. No one's going to do it for you, man. It's you against you, motherfucker. You got to do your best work when you're the least fucking motivated. On those days when you don't want to do shit, guess what? You got to suck it the fuck up and do it anyway. Stay hard. I'd rather you hate my fucking guts and get better than like me and stay the same weak ass version of yourself. Let's be real, man. Most of us are full of shit. I know I was, and sometimes I still am. We think we're working our asses off, hitting the gym hard for a month, but we don't see results. And then we get all fucking whiny and defeated. You bomb a 30-minute test and didn't crush it like you thought you would. What the fuck did you expect? You're not putting in the work. You got to do more, man. Always more. Stop telling yourself that you're doing enough. In life, it's never fucking enough until you feel like you're on the edge of breaking, until you're outworking everyone else. It's only then, when you're completely fucking spent, that you know you've done enough. Now, think about all the years, months, days, hours, even seconds you've wasted on people who just suck the fucking life out of you. Today's the day to cut those motherfuckers loose. Get rid of those assholes who only call you when they need something, those fuckers who can't let go of the past, who keep dragging you back into their bullshit. Life is fucking short, man. Life is fucking precious. Spend your time with the people who actually matter, the ones you love, the ones who deserve your time. Everyone else, if they're wasting your fucking air, cut them the fuck out. Stay hard, say no. Ever been to the mall and seen that Build-A-Bear workshop? All those kids in there picking out the fluff, the clothes, the accessories, crafting the perfect bear to take home. Now, I ain't talking about bears. I'm talking about building your own damn life. We all got the tools, but what do? We let that weak-ass quitting mind take over. We got to find a new norm, a new standard, something unbreakable. SEAL training was supposed to be 6 months. I was stuck in that hellhole for 18 fucking months because I kept getting my ass set back over and over again. But you know what? I adapted. I said, fine, my new normal is getting the shit beat out to me at 4 a.m. every day. That's got to be your fucking mindset. That's got to be your lifestyle. You are the master of your own mind. Build that masterpiece every single day. When it's all said and done, you'll stand proud as hell. When I was in Ranger School, we did spot checks. You didn't know what they were going to check: extra batteries, extra ammo, whatever. The point, you stayed squared away because you never knew when they were coming. And that's life. You got to spot check yourself every damn day. Are you dialed in? Are you on point? And it's not just about you check on your crew too. Call your boys, call your girls, wake them up at 2 a.m. and say, hey, 8 o'clock tomorrow, we're fucking getting after it. Keep them on their toes. Stay hard and make sure they do too. There are going to be days when you don't want to do a damn thing. Guess what? You don't get to quit. This ain't a hobby. This ain't a fucking joke. This is your life. What you say to yourself matters more than what any coach or trainer ever could. No one's coming to save you, ass man. You grind your whole fucking life to get a seat at the table with the best. You get that invite steak, lobster, the whole 9 yards. You better show up dripping sweat from a hard workout, tie half-ass around your neck because you respect the fucking event, but you respect the grind even more. Sit down, shut the fuck up, and don't make excuses. Stay uncommon amongst uncommon people. You're not done when you're tired, you're done when you're fucking done. People always ask me, how'd you lose all that weight, Goggins? They want to know the secret. The secret, stop thinking so damn much. When I was fat as fuck, I didn't go looking for some magic trainer or a fad diet. I didn't jump on Jenny Craig. I stopped eating like shit. I cut my damn calories. You're sitting there planning the perfect workout while your ass is still on the couch. Until you get moving, you got nothing to worry about overtraining. Walk, run, go to the gym, hit the elliptical. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Some days you'll wake up sore and think, I'm overtraining. No, fuck that. you just soar. Push past that weak thought. It's not rocket science. Just get up, shut up, and get after it. Stay hard, man. Got an email the other day from this young dude, wants to be a ranger. But you know what? He's scared not just of the hard ass training, but of failing and hearing what people got to say. Let me tell you something. Every time you step up, every time you decide you ain't going to be average, the average motherfuckers out there are going to feel threatened. They see you reaching for more and it reminds them of all the shit they didn't do. So what do? They judge, they criticize, they throw their bullshit online like cowards. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, keyboard warriors out there talking shit because they're too scared to do anything real themselves. Don't let these fuckers get in your head. Their opinion doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is how bad you want it. So fuck what everyone thinks. Do you stay true and stay hard, man? When I first joined the Navy, I couldn't even get into active duty because I was so damn fat. Had to start in the reserves 1 week a month, 2 weeks a year. And they called us weekend warriors. But that's how a lot of you live your lives, waiting for some big event to get off your ass. Got to get in shape for a wedding. Got to look good for the summer. High school reunions coming up, so you want to drop a few pounds. All that is fucking temporary. You're living your life on a deadline, working out with some weak ass purpose that doesn't last. You want to know what real purpose looks like? It's about how you see yourself every fucking day, how much respect you have when you look in that mirror. That's a journey, not some quick fix. You get after it every day, no matter what. We hear words like determination, self-discipline, hard work, and what do most people do? They cringe. They act like it's some kind of punishment, some burden they got to carry. That's because they're living soft, looking for the easy way out. But those words, those are the realest fucking words you'll ever hear. They're not a punishment. They're the fucking gateway to owning your life. You got to flip that mindset. Those words are a lifestyle. You got to eat them, breathe them, live them every damn day. When you embrace that shit, you're not just working out, you're creating a warrior mentality that bleeds into every aspect of your life. So stop running from the hard shit. Stop dreading what's uncomfortable. That's the fucking path to greatness. So what's your fucking excuse? Too cold where you live? Too hot? It rains too damn much. Time for some real fucking talk. Maybe you're the only black person applying for a job. Maybe you're the only woman in the room. Maybe you're the only gay person trying to break through. Whatever the fuck it is, maybe all that shit is just in your own damn head. Maybe that's your excuse for not pushing harder, for not being better. Life's a big ass picture and you're letting one little piece stop you. When I was young, all that shit got in my head, being black, being dumb, growing up with a single mom. All that shit owned space in my mind, rent free. But here's the thing, man, if you're letting other people, things, and bullshit situations own space in your head, you're fucking losing. Life is one big motherfucking head game you play with yourself. If you lose, it's cause you let all that noise get in your head. Stay hard no matter what. Whether you like it or not, from the second you wake up to the moment you pass out at night, most of us are at war with ourselves. And within that war, we're fighting endless battles. Those battles are choices, daily decisions that shape who the fuck you are. I'm not talking about some gladiator shit in the Coliseum. I'm talking about the fucking war in your brain. The one that never stops. Life's throwing choices at you left and right. You got to make the right decisions. But you know what? Fuck that. Most people don't want to hear it. When the alarm goes off at 5 more, what do? Hit snooze. Go ahead, keep hitting snooze. That's just too early, right? In school and the homework's piling up. Fuck that, too hard, don't study. Fast food? Yeah, why not? It's easier than eating clean. So when you fail, don't fucking blame your mom, your dad, or your teachers. There's only one person to blame: yourself. Own that shit. My life's been a fucking roller coaster, from being fat as hell to getting in shape, from lazy to motivated, back to lazy. It's been a constant fight. Most people, they take the 4-lane highway, the easy route. The road signs are all their hotels, restaurants, everything laid out nice and neat. But that road, it leads nowhere permanent. It's all temporary bullshit. You want to make something real? You got to pick up that fucking shovel. You got to dig in, grind it out, and build calluses on your mind and your hands. That's the only way to make shit permanent. Man, pick up the damn shovel and get to work. A lot of you are out there trying to find inspiration and motivation with a weak ass, depressed mindset. You're sitting around feeling sorry for yourself because you're not doing shit with your life. Let me be real. You're not going to find inspiration by playing it safe, by staying in your comfort zone. You got to live in the grip of life, the rough, raw, in your face shit. You got to put challenges in front of yourself, real ones that scare the fuck out of you. When you put a challenge in front of yourself and attack that motherfucker, that's where you find inspiration. You want to be better? Try being 10% better than you were last week. You ran 30 miles, push it to 33. You swam 500 meters, make it 550. But some of you aren't doing shit. Your 10% is just getting your lazy ass off the damn couch. Man, the more you run away from accountability, the weaker you become. The more you avoid the hard shit, the softer you get. You're never going to find out who the fuck you are by doing nothing. You got to put yourself in the fire, face the shit that scares you, and come out harder than before. That's the only way. This morning, I was about to go for a run with a few guys, took my shirt off, and they saw my stretch marks. One guy asked me where the fuck I got those from. I looked at him and said, you want to know where the strength is? It's right here in these scars. I used to be 297 pounds, insecure as hell, with a mind that was down in the fucking gutter. Those stretch marks, they tell a story. A lot of us got scars on our bodies, visible reminders of the battles we fought. But we also got scars up here in our fucking heads. Scars from fucked up childhoods, bad decisions, toxic relationships, and all the other bullshit life throws at us. But here's the thing, we don't talk about those mental scars. We hide and pretend they don't exist. But scarring is proof that our past is real, that we've been through some shit. The problem is we let those scars control us. We let them dictate who we are.